Oklahoma, why are your insurance rates so high? Let's discuss it. Hey, it's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way Oklahomans secure financial stability. And in Oklahoma, as any homeowner might know, one huge headache is that insurance rates keep going up and up and up. What gives? Well, here's the thing. Oklahoma is number three in the nation for top insurance or highest insurance rates. That's not exactly the type of list we like to be at the top of, but it's kind of the nature of the beast. Well, nature of the weather, I suppose. Oklahoma goes through so many hailstorms and windstorms and also hard freezes that a homeowner in Oklahoma is more likely to have a claim than in other parts of the country. You see, that's how the insurance company is looking at it, is, not necessarily did you have a claim last year or the year before that or the past 20 years, but what are the chances that there will be a loss to your property in the next 12 months? An insurance contract is a 12-month policy. It is looking at the future. It is looking at the possibility of the property being damaged, a loss occurring, and of course the insurance company having to pay out on a claim. That's what they're for. Why should the rates go up if they're paying out on claims? Well, that is how it works. Yes, it is a pool of money. The insurance company is taking a gamble on whether or not they think your property is going to have a loss that they would have to pay out on. In Oklahoma, insurance companies paid out 105% of the premiums that they took in. That's on average. So basically, for every $100 they took in premium, they paid out $105. That's a losing strategy. So next year, they do need to look at increasing the rates. Well, how come an insurance company even stays in business if they're losing money every year? They do have an investment side of their business. They're making money on the premium that you pay them. They invest, they make money on that until it's time to pay claims. And then, of course, that investment is liquidated. They pay the claims out. It's kind of how it works. But the important piece is, do they think you're going to have a loss in the next 12 months? Depending on that factor, they will either have higher rates for you or lower rates. They're looking at zip code. They're looking at weather patterns. They're looking at the property itself, the elevation, the crime score in the area, all the things that could potentially happen that the insurance company would pay out on. They have actuaries who are digging in deep to try and solve the puzzle, and they are the house. They don't want to lose the gamble, so they're going to do their homework and come up with a rate that they believe would be profitable for them, even if there's not a loss. So it is a big picture game. These companies are doing business all over the country or maybe even the world, and they also have insurance to pay. So I'm not defending insurance companies. I personally don't believe insurance is a scam. I've heard it said before, but it is a system where they take a gamble. They either win or lose. You yourself are taking a gamble. Am I going to insure this property or not? If you have a mortgage, of course you're required to, but you're putting down a bet that there may be a loss, so I want to protect myself. And also, if there is a loss, I'm going to pay this much in deductible. Those things affect the rate. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. I tried not to side too much on the insurance carrier side, but they do have a very complex system that has been working for hundreds of years so that property owners like you and I can be made whole if a loss does occur. So that's insurance for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out by email, text, phone. We'd love to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.